Using Power BI in Microsoft Teams allows users to access and interact with Power BI reports and dashboards directly within the Teams interface, facilitating collaboration and decision-making. Here's how to use Power BI in Microsoft Teams effectively. Access Power BI tab. Navigate to the desired Teams channel or chat where you want to integrate Power BI. Click on the plus icon to add a new tab and select Power BI. Select Report or Dashboard. Choose the Power BI report or dashboard you want to display in the Teams tab. You can select from your workspace or shared reports. View and interact. Once added, the Power BI report or dashboard will be visible within the Teams tab. Users can interact with the visualizations, apply filters, and drill down to explore data insights. Collaborate and discuss. Team members can collaborate on the data insights directly within Teams by discussing findings, sharing comments, or asking questions. Stay updated. Power BI content in Teams stays updated in real time, ensuring users have access to the latest data insights without leaving the Teams environment.